How to change or delete music in post after posting in Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change or delete your music in post after posting in Instagram. So first thing, simply head over to your profile of your Instagram section and let me just show you an example. As you can see, I have this post and this post doesn't have any music. So what you can do is just click on this three dot icon over here and just click on edit, and then you will be seeing the option called add music at the top, as you can see there. So you can just tap on it and select any music you like and add it right here. So that's the way you can add a music if the post doesn't have any music on it. So but if you want to change, let's say, as you can see in this post I have already selected the music, but if you want to change it, what you can do is just do the same process, but you will be seeing there is no any option when you try to edit the post which already has the music. As you can see, there is no any add music option. So in this case, what you can do is just there is no option then to delete this post from over here and repost this post by adding a new music just like previously shown before. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.